Is it safe to leave my new phone charging overnight before first use?
Hey there, welcome to today's video. In this episode, we'll be discussing a common question that many new phone owners have. Is it safe to leave your new phone charging overnight before its first use? We'll explore this topic in detail and provide you with some valuable insights. So, let's get started.
Understanding lithium-ion batteries.
To answer this question, it's important to understand the type of battery your phone uses. Most modern smartphones utilize lithium-ion batteries, which offer several advantages such as high energy density and longer lifespan. However, lithium-ion batteries are sensitive to overcharging, and excessive heat can also negatively impact their performance and lifespan.
Factory charging and battery levels.
When you purchase a new phone, it usually comes with a partially charged battery. Manufacturers often charge the battery to a certain level during the production process to ensure it's functional upon arrival. Leaving your new phone charging overnight before first use is generally safe, as long as you follow a few guidelines.
Precautions for safe charging.
To ensure the safe charging of your new phone, consider the following precautions. 3.1. Use the original charger and cable. Always use the charger and cable that came with your phone, or ensure you're using a reputable brand's charging accessories. Cheap or counterfeit chargers may not provide the necessary protection mechanisms, which could pose a safety risk. 3.2. Avoid extreme temperatures. High temperatures can damage the battery, so it's important to keep your phone in a cool and well-ventilated area while charging. Avoid exposing it to direct sunlight or placing it on heat-emitting surfaces like blankets or pillows. 3.3. Charge on a stable surface. To prevent accidental damage or overheating, charge your phone on a stable and non-flammable surface. Avoid charging it under pillows, blankets, or other materials that can trap heat and potentially cause a fire hazard. 3.4. Remove protective cases. During the initial charging process, it's advisable to remove any protective cases or covers. Some cases may hinder heat dissipation and contribute to the overall temperature rise of the device while charging.
Battery management systems.
Modern smartphones are equipped with sophisticated battery management systems, BMS, that help protect the battery from overcharging and overheating. These systems regulate the charging process to prevent any potential damage and ensure the battery's longevity. Therefore, leaving your new phone charging overnight is generally safe due to these built-in safety measures. In conclusion, it is generally safe to leave your new phone charging overnight before its first use, thanks to the battery management systems implemented by manufacturers. However, it's essential to follow the precautions we discussed, such as using the original charger, avoiding extreme temperatures, charging on a stable surface, and removing protective cases. By following these guidelines, you can ensure the safe and optimal performance of your phone's battery in the long run. Thanks for watching today's video. We hope this information has been helpful. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.